Right. Today, we are going to learn about Annelida. Right? So, Annelida, so this is the first organism to have a body cavity. Okay. So, which means in Nigeria, we saw that is a diploblastic body like this. In Annelida, it is triploblastic body, which means they have like 3 germ layers. So the outer layer is the what? Outer layer is the what layer? Outer layer is the ectoderm, and inner layer is the endoderm. In between that, they had a mesoderm. So that is a triploblastic organism. So from Annelida only, the organisms having the triploblastic 3 germ layers. Okay, so 3 germ layers. They are made up of 3 germ layers. And they have a body cavity. That cavity we called as the coelom. Coelom is the body cavity. So this is the first organism to have a body cavity. That is called coelom, right? So when you consider the Annelida, in the Annelida, we have like organism like earthworm, leech, Nereis, okay, all these are comes under Annelida. See, Nereis, they have written in slanted, which means that is a scientific word. Okay, so scientific word for leech, Hirudinea. Okay, so that is those things not necessary for you. Okay, understood? Right. Now see, first we are going to go through the habitat. Habitat means the living environment. So when you consider all these animals, you know normally earthworm, leech. Even leech, you can see fresh environment like freshwater bodies, as well as marine also you have some leeches. Okay, it is like they have some special adaptations. So see, they live in damp soil, like moist soil, then marine and freshwater habitat. When you consider the Cnidarians, they are all aquatic. Right? They all are aquatic, mostly marine, few freshwater. But here it is, we can see them in the damp soil also. Okay. So Cnidaria, they are triploblastic. Now these are, Cnidaria, they are diploblastic, where they have 2 germ layers. And Annelids, they are triploblastic, where they have 3 germ layers. Is that clear after that? Everyone? Hilal?
Teacher.
Yeah, okay. Right. Now, when we consider its body form, they have a slender body. See, this is like slender. Okay, so they are slender and worm-like bodies. Okay, it is like worm-like. And they have given here the external appearance of like earthworm, right? An annelid. So here you can see, sorry? Right. So here, see, we have segments. You can see the segments. Here even you have the segments. Here even you have the segments. So these segments, you can see these segments externally as well as internally. Inside also it is segmented. Right? So that is a special feature of this annelid. They are internally as well as externally, they are segmented. Okay, so we call them as a segmented worms. So this is a unique feature of the annelids, right? Then when we talk about the symmetry, those are bilateral symmetry, where you can divide into half. Okay, so they can be like, you can divide like this only, halfway only, right? So they shows bilateral symmetry, right? So already I told this is the first species to have a body cavity. That body cavity contain the fluid called coelom. So why do you have, like not do, why do these annelids have this coelom? Because inside they have the fluid. So for their movement, using the muscles only, they will move. So to move from place to place, they have this coelom. With the help of this coelom only, with the body cavity, with the muscle, they move. Okay, so there is a fluid-filled cavity between body wall and the digestive tract. So it is known as coelom. It provides an independent movement for the gut wall irrespective of the body movement. So they can move using the this fluid. Okay, then some reproduce sexually and some by asexual methods. Is that clear? Is that clear, Annelids? Any doubts here? Any doubts?
Teacher, what is gut wall?
Gut wall is the outer wall, like this. You have like, wait, at outer wall. Like this is the outer wall. Then you will have the digestive tract. So that here between this and this is the digestive tract wall. That wall you call gut wall. So here the cavity is between the body wall. Body wall is the outer wall and the digestive tract. This is the digestive tract. The wall of the digestive tract only you call gut wall. Okay. Is that clear?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. I will show that for you.